my Freshly box has arrived. I can't wait to open up and see what's inside. Oh, it's heavy. Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. This week we're trying a new meal delivery service called Freshly. Now Freshly's not a meal kit. Inside this box are 12 fully cooked, chef-prepared meals that we can just pop in the microwave whenever we're ready. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Alright. First thing we have is our packing list. So it shows all the different entrees we have and how many we ordered of each. And then we've got a nicely insulated little cooler inside here. Right on top is a nice reusable or recyclable ice pack. It's like one big solid mass here. And then we've got the meals. So this is how they're packaged. So this is the Freshly meal. This one is spicy harissa pork and veggie bowl. And it's all nicely packed with its brown wrapper on the outside. It's got the nutrition facts on the back too, so you can see exactly how many calories it is. This one is 460 calories. And it's got the microwave instructions. So basically just to microwave it for 3 minutes, let it stand for 2 minutes, and then you're ready to go. So let's actually get a little close up on what it actually looks like. There it is. It's a pretty good size, nice portion, and it's only 460 calories. So that one's a spicy harissa pork and veggie bowl. So we have another one of the spicy harissa pork and veggie bowl. Okay, this one is chicken tikka masala. This one's about 530 calories. Here is another chicken tikka masala. Let's take a look inside this one. It's got the chicken on this side and the biryani rice on the other side. Then we've got another big ice pack. Next one is Tangy Sesame Citrus Chicken with blistered bell pepper and watered chestnuts. Let's take a close up of that one. That's how it looks. All right. Another Tangy Sesame Citrus Chicken. This is chicken and spring pea risotto. Oh, this one is pork carnitas. Yum, I'm looking forward to that one. Let's see what it looks like inside. Pork carnitas on this side and the rice on the other side. Next we've got andouille and chicken gumbo. Next one is turkey and mushroom meatballs with umami flavor baked right in. Here we've got another turkey and mushroom meatballs. And another pork carnitas. And that is the end of the box. So let me just take out this nice recyclable cooler so I can show you what it looks like. This is really neat. It's very soft. It's basically it's easy. You just cut it up to open and you can put the inside in the trash. It's biodegradable. And then you can recycle the plastic bag. Okay, so that's it. So we've got 12 of these meals. What's really nice is that you can choose these all you want. So you can see we tried a couple different things. We got only one of the chicken spring pea risotto and only one of the andouille chicken gumbo. And then we got 2 of all the other ones, so we can give this a try. And so we'll try this over the next week or so, and then we will do a full review on At My Home. Thanks for watching our video today. We've included more information about the Freshly Meal Kit service, including links where to buy in the description box below. And while you're there, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And for more smart home and smart kitchen stories, please visit atmyhome.com. Thank you.